Hi, I'm Mark Woehrle.
Hi, I'm Wendy Tanner, and we're brokers at RE/MAX Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest listing in the heart of Caledonia at 59 Argyle Street South.
This home is a hop, skip, and a jump from the Kinsman Park with Caledonia Pool, splash pad, tennis courts, Riverside Walk, and so much more.
This detached home features 2 bedrooms, full bath, garage, parking for 3 or more cars, and this beautiful backyard. Thank you for visiting us at 59 Argyle Street South in Caledonia.
If you would like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you want to buy or sell in Caledonia, please give us a call.
My name is Mark Woehrle.
My name is Wendy Tanner, and we can be reached at 905-512-1846.